Hello?
What's up?
Hey, girl.
Can you show me how to do finger waves in my wig?
Okay, I got you.
I'm for real now. I want to be like, here I go, here I go, here I go again, girls. What's my weakness?
Me?
Okay,
Okay,
then.
then.
So you know what I'm talking about,
Okay, so what you're gonna do is take one of your wigs that you don't use no more,
huh?
and you're gonna comb it out real good. Make sure you comb it all the way through, and shampoo it only if you need to. All right, get a bottle of water and spray it down, drench it, and get some scissors, and you're gonna cut the bang a little higher because you're gonna turn the front into like a little pixie cut. All right, make sure you point cut it from one side to the next.
I thought this was a finger wave tutorial.
You gotta cut it first to get your frame before you can style it.
Oh, okay. So what you doing now?
Next, you're gonna frame the face on both ends using the bang as your guideline. So you're gonna kind of slide cut it, leave some hair out from ear to ear for the flips, and then you're gonna take the bang area and use that as your guideline to cut the top. All right, so take a little piece from the bang, cut the long parts, go straight down from the forehead all the way to the back first, and then you're gonna take the rest of the hair and do the same.
Okay, I ain't no hairstylist, so you need to give me a tip or something.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a tip. As you cut the rest of the hair, make sure you part it in small, thin slices, like thin sections, and then use the hair, the short hair, as the guideline for the long pieces. So you see how I'm kind of grabbing the long hair and measuring it from the short pieces so I can know where to cut it.
Uh huh.
That's what you're gonna do around the whole side as you go around to the front.
Oh, okay. So if I lose my place, I know what to do.
Exactly. And of course, use the same technique for the other side. And if you want to check it to make sure it's even, measure it from the opposite direction, which is side to side. Then make sure you get the points out.
Oh, okay. That's like cross checking your homework.
Put your favorite wrapping foam on it because you're going to mold it. All right. Make sure you put it all the way through the top. Make sure you part where you want to put your part at. And now you're going to start your finger waves. Okay. First, you're going to create your first C shape on the shortest side of their part. All right. And then you're going to keep alternating from side to side. You see that? And once the hair gets a little thicker, you're going to pinch it with your fingers so you can create that ridge.
Okay, I told you I wasn't no stylist, so you're gonna have to give me another tip or something.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a tip. When you're working with a wig, it might be a little more difficult than working on natural hair for the simple fact of how it's constructed. Now, this is a crochet wig, so the crochet knots might get in the way a little bit if you have a crochet wig, but just keep going the direction that is more comfortable. So instead of doing the whole back area, I'm doing it in sections. So the first section was from the top part to the ear. Now I'm doing the front fringe area. All right. So take it section by section so you can control it a little better.
Oh, okay, I see. It's like going with the flow.
Okay. Before I perfect the front, I'm going to go to the side and I'm going to just keep going the direction that is taking me, but still control the hair so you can kind of cover the little spots that's showing, if that makes sense.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. So, how you gonna connect the sections from side to side?
Okay, after you go all the way down to the ear, you're going to start from the top and you see how I'm connecting the ridge. You're going to connect the ridge first and then you're going to comb it down and comb it into a C so you can kind of get it ready for the next ridge. And after you do that, you're going to comb it all the way down until the smooth, long part so it can be nice and seamless.
Oh, okay, I see how you did that.
All right, so you're done with the finger waves. Now you're gonna get a rubber band, cut to where you want to cut it at, so you can get it ready to do your flips. You're gonna cut it. I cut a little layers in it to kind of have it some type of volume, but you don't have to. Just get you a flat iron from here, flip the back to your liking, and you're done. Call me back if you need some help.
And I will. Thank you, girl.